Xu Hongyi has been working here for nigh on 20 years. And for him, the process is simple. It's just some chemical reactions blended with time and patience and experience handed down from one generation to the next. That's how you ensure a quality product.
Kinmen Kaoliang 是遵循古法，原则上就是以固态酿酒的方式进行酿造。所谓的固态酿酒呢，它就是以固体的方式进行蒸煮、发酵以及蒸馏的动作。
The first step involves making chu, as it's called here. It's a starter culture, and it's made from wheat. The grain is coarsely ground, mixed with water, and compressed into bricks. These bricks are designed to be an ideal host for an essential ingredient in Kaoliang production.
为了让菌种更有利于整体区块的发酵，我们从中间钻一个洞以后呢，由内部直接攻入区块，更有利于区块发酵的动作。
For this magic to happen, the bricks need to be stored in a special chamber. The room is warm, damp, and dim. The floor is covered in straw, mold everywhere. Not too appealing, perhaps, but just what's needed next. Spores in the air attach themselves to the damp surface of the chewed bricks, an ideal breeding ground for them. As they multiply and proliferate, forming molds, they increase the temperature and humidity of the room. If the temperature gets too high, the microorganisms can be damaged. So the temperature and humidity are regulated by their human carers, opening doors and windows periodically. The experienced craftsmen have to turn each 5-kilogram brick every day. That way, the molds grow evenly and moisture doesn't accumulate.
在室内温度高达45度到50度的温度里面，一个师傅要在2个小时之内把这2000块的区块做翻的动作。这是他辛苦的地方。
The quality of the bricks and the mold on them is absolutely critical to the production of Kaoliang, and it's one process here that cannot be effectively automated. After 30 days' growth, the molds have reached an optimal size. The bricks are moved into a cool, dry, well-ventilated area, so they don't grow past perfection.
从它的剖面来看，借由温度的变化后呢，我们还可以明显看到它有出现所谓的一圈一圈的颜色，在我们的术语里面，这种叫做火圈。那火圈的层次越漂亮呢，表示这一块的曲越好。
Because it's a natural process, dependent on which spores happen to be in the air at any given time, Chu develops differently in each batch of bricks, with slightly different combinations of microorganisms. The result? Slightly different flavors of Kaoliang at the end.